So starting with the Indian philosophy, पेपर 1 पार्ट बी, तो हम इसमें करते हैं। तो टोटल इसमें 6 प्रमाणास हैं। 6 प्रमाणास कौन कौन से हैं? प्रत्यक्ष, अनुमान, उपमा, शब्द एंड अनुपलब्धि एंड अर्थापत्ति। ये 6 प्रमाण हैं। तो इन 6 प्रमाणों को जो है अलग अलग सिस्टम अलग अलग तरीके से अपनाते हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो जिस तरीके से मानता है, जैसे चारवाक से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। चारवाक केवल ये मानते हैं कि प्रत्यक्ष ही प्रमाण है, मतलब जो दिख रहा है वही सही है। सो प्रत्यक्ष एज ओनली प्रमाण चारवाक को लोकायत और देहात्मवादी, ये 2 नामों से और जाना जाता है। ये हेडोनिस्टिक फिलॉसफी है। अब इसमें थ्योरी ऑफ नॉलेज है। थ्योरी ऑफ नॉलेज क्या है कि प्रत्यक्ष ही केवल प्रमाण है। अब इसमें अनुमान को रिजेक्ट करते हैं ये किस बेसिस पे? व्याप्ति ज्ञान पे। अब उसमें लोग कहते हैं कि व्याप्ति ज्ञान जो है यूनिवर्सल एंड नेसेसरी रिलेशन है, जैसे कि स्मोक और फायर का रिलेशन है। लेकिन चारवाक के अकॉर्डिंग कि ये तो फैलेसी है कि आपने स्मोक और फायर देखा और फिर यूनिवर्सल पे पहुंच गए, कि इट इज़ फैलेसी टू मूव फ्रॉम ऑब्जर्व्ड केसेस टू अनऑब्जर्व्ड केसेस। सो human is confined to present only. No future and past can be traced sufficiently. Vyapti cannot be known through pratyaksha, since pratyaksha is of particular instance. Okay, particular instance प्रत्यक्ष का होता है, इस वजह से hence vyapti can't be known through anuman, as anuman is based on vyapti. Okay, so it is highly probable knowledge can be traced. Okay, so vyapti can't be known through anuman, and because anuman is based on vyapti, this is circular fallacy. We are deducing one from other, and the other from the one we from which we deduce the other. Okay, so this is the circular fallacy. So vyapti can't be known through anuman, as anuman is based on vyapti. Necessity is not equal to concluded. ओके, नेसेसिटी कंक्लूजन नहीं होती है, क्योंकि एक इवेंट दूसरे के द्वारा फॉलो होता है, समझे? तो इस वजह से नेसेसिटी नहीं कंक्लूड हो जाती है कि एक इवेंट दूसरे को फॉलो करता है। सो व्याप्ति जो है वो अनसर्टेन है कि हर जगह यही चीज़ होगी, हर जगह यही चीज़ होगी, अगर स्मोक है तो फायर होगा, ऐसा नहीं है। ऐसा हम नहीं कह सकते, क्योंकि ये प्रत्यक्ष हम सब जगह नहीं देख पा रहे। ओके, क्रिटिक्स क्या कहते हैं कि टू रिजेक्ट अनुमान दे रिलाइड ऑन अनुमान ओनली। ओके, सो परसेप्ट विदाउट कंसेप्ट इक्वल्स टू ब्लाइंड। ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्रिटिक, एंड they also said that refutation of vyapti equals to possibility of vyapti and anuman. ठीक है, and the second critique they said is perception is not always reliable, as previously people also percepted that earth is flat. Third is that refined charvaka said that those anuman refuted that can't be empirically verified. The same like logical positivists, they try to uh, maintain a balance between metaphysics and science. The refined charvakas also do the same. Okay, so what's more here we can see is that they refuted the shabda praman. They said that it is the work of propaganda. Shabda praman means shastras, vedas and scriptures. So they said that it is work of propaganda. They wondered how people in heaven can be served by serving people on ground. Okay, so refined charvaka said that scriptures are good until they talk about empirical world. Okay, when they talk about transcendental, it is not accepted. So shabda praman is circular fallacy, as God is proven by scriptures and scriptures proved by God. Okay, so this is also circular fallacy. Metaphysics, what's the metaphysics of Charvakas? It is materialism. They accept only 4 tattvas out of 5, which is air, water, fire, earth. They don't accept Akash or ether. So Charvak reject the reality of Atma too, but not of consciousness. They say that the body is itself consciousness. So they propound Dehatmavad. Deh is only the Atma. Okay, so Dehatmavad. So they said conscious. They said that consciousness equals to epiphenomena. That is byproduct of mixing of what? These 4 padarthas: air, water, fire, earth. Okay, they said they had given the analogy of betel leaf, arsena nut, lime for consciousness. Okay, so likewise they combine to give red color. The 4 padarthas combine to give consciousness. So this conception of Charvakas comes close to behaviorists, who said that different organs have different functions. Brain throws out consciousness, so we can connect it to behaviorists. Okay, critical evaluation is one. Shankar said that one who negates Atma is Atma. Okay, second is why humans are conscious. So Charvaka said that unique combination. So this is not a critique, but it is a type of dialect we can see. So what is consciousness runs body, hence it must be superior and independent. So others ask it, existence of disembodied self is not equals to proven, is not proven, and is not self-existent too. Means Charvakas answer it by saying that this embodied self is not pratyaksha. Atma is not pratyaksha, so it is non-existing. The Atma dies with the soul body only. Okay. So also conscious state are different from physical ones. Okay, these are critical evaluation of and answers to these critical evaluation. How this Charvaka down what can be the factors of downfall of Charvaks? It is first point, atheism, that is rejection of God, soul, rejection of values. So the rejection of values made them look like too much hedonistic or too much immoral in the society. And the opposition of Buddhism, Jainism, and Hinduism too made them too much or too much hedonistic and too much anti-spiritual kind of element in the society. So the Charvakas were refined under Vatsyayana, and who accepted Dharma and Trivarga. Okay, so previously they accepted Kam and Earth, now they also accepted Dharma. So for the moral thing, that too. So these Dharma, Kam and Earth, these are Trivarg that were accepted. So this is Charvakas. Thank you.